Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Not an RS. So, nice little bit of maintenance, I guess. So basically, my girlfriend's car, the headlight bulb is gone, and we're just going to replace it. It seems like it's going to be pretty simple, but I'm going to bring you along for the ride anyway, just because, you never know what can happen. Especially when I'm working on cars, because it always seems to go wrong. So we'll see how it goes, and let's get to it.
So first things first, you want to remove the big rubber grommet that seals it in so you can make it watertight. So I just want to pause the video here quickly because basically just above that connector you can see a little metal rod. So this is like a spring clip that hooks in underneath and holds the bulb in its position. So what we need to do is get a pair of pliers and squeeze it together at the bottom, unhook it, and then we'll be able to get the bulb connector and the bulb out. I found that the easiest way to do this was with a set of pliers. To be honest, long nose pliers would have been better, but they were all I had to hand. So there's actually one of these in there, which I assume sits behind this, like that, to hold it on. So just make sure you take this off first. So with that clip removed, the connector should just pull straight out. You can undo the bulb, replace it, and then you just need to reverse your removal process and you should be good to go. So this clips into the back of the socket, and then this obviously pushes the headlight bulb in. So there's two little holes for this to sort of slide in. So you have to push it on there and then just clip these two holes in. Which could take a while without being able to see. And without further ado, all you need to do is get in your car and put the lights on to check that it works.
And that concludes today's episode, guys. So, like we always say, it didn't always go to plan because from everything I could Google online, it said that you just pull it out. But obviously that metal clip is maybe a UK thing rather than a European thing. I don't know, but we've solved it for you guys so you guys can go into it knowing exactly what you're getting yourself in for. And it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and who's going to pay £10 for some kid from Halford to go and do it for you when you can spend 10 minutes on your driveway doing it? So hope you enjoyed the episode. Please leave a comment down below if you have any queries or anything like that. Leave a comment and like the video and check out some of our other Not an RS videos. So see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.